Hi, welcome to this video where I will tell you what are the best apps to have on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, in this video, I will show you some important apps which is best for Shopify. Number one is product reviews app. Product reviews app are the most important part for every customer. To ease this, Shopify provide some free apps with good ratings like product reviews. These are the text review only, and this product reviews. And another free app is stamped product review, in which customer add images and text for the review purpose. Now another app is loyalty programs. So like loyalty programs is great if you offer these to your customers. It improves and drives sales and increase brand loyalty as well. So there are a lot of free apps for this as well. You can also use kinds of perks, special pop-ups and widgets to show some progress. For number three is page builders. If you want to build more interesting page layouts, so it can be really helpful if you install page builder. Now again, there are a lot of page builder apps like Tapeta and Shogun. Next is digital downloads. So here, to add some uniqueness, Shopify provides free digital download apps. It also includes ebooks, audio files, software keys, free apps and etc digital downloads. Next is pre-order pages. It includes customer satisfaction, so apps will provide for the ease. Here are some apps free as well. So that's all for this video. If you find this That's all for this video, where I have shown you that what are the best apps to have on on your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.